Hello and welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a natural way to manage blood sugar levels, boost your immunity, and enjoy a host of other health benefits, then this video is for you. Today I am talking about one of the most powerful kitchen spices, cinnamon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss our health and wellness videos. Your support keeps this channel growing, and I truly appreciate it. Health benefits of cinnamon. Cinnamon has been used in traditional medicine for centuries, and modern science backs up many of its benefits. Regulates blood sugar. Cinnamon improves insulin sensitivity and helps reduce blood sugar spikes after meals. Heart health. It helps lower LDL, bad cholesterol, and triglycerides while maintaining HDL, good cholesterol. Rich in antioxidants. Contains powerful compounds that protect your body from oxidative damage. Anti-inflammatory, helps reduce chronic inflammation, which is the root of many diseases. Fights infections. Cinnamon has antifungal and antibacterial properties, making it useful for overall immunity. Which type of cinnamon is safe? There are two main types of cinnamon. Cassia cinnamon, common and inexpensive, but it contains high levels of coumarin, which can damage your liver if taken regularly in large amounts. Ceylon. Cinnamon, true cinnamon, milder in flavor and contains very low levels of coumarin, making it safe for daily use. Always choose Ceylon cinnamon if you plan to use it regularly for health purposes. How to make cinnamon tea for diabetes. To control blood sugar naturally, try this simple and effective cinnamon tea. Ingredients: 2 cups of water, 1 cinnamon stick, or 1/2 tablespoon of Ceylon, cinnamon powder. Instructions: boil the cinnamon in 2 cups of water. Let it simmer until the water reduces to 1 cup. Strain and drink this tea after meals. This tea helps regulate your blood sugar levels, especially when consumed consistently. It also aids digestion and supports metabolism. Side effects and precautions. While cinnamon is generally safe, excessive use, especially of cassia cinnamon, can lead to liver damage due to high coumarin mouth sores and allergic reactions, low blood sugar, hypoglycemia, if overused with diabetes medication, interactions with heart or blood pressure medicines, breathing issues if cinnamon powder is inhaled. Always use in moderation and consult your doctor if you're on medication or managing a health condition. Recommended dosage and duration seconds. For Ceylon cinnamon, 1 teaspoon, around 2 to 2.5 grams, daily is considered safe. For cassia cinnamon, stay under 1/2 teaspoon due to coumarin levels. Cinnamon tea, 1 cup per day, is a safe and effective way to use it regularly. Use it consistently for a few weeks to see improvements in blood sugar. But remember, it's a supportive remedy, not a cure. Cinnamon can be a powerful part of your wellness routine. Just make sure you choose the right type and use it wisely. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to support the channel, and share it with someone who could benefit from this information. Thank you for watching and stay healthy.